Alright, what's good? So today we're going to be backtesting through gold. It's the pair that you guys chose for me to backtest, so this will hopefully help you guys to become profitable. Before we get into the video, if you don't know, I trade a strategy called liquidity supply and demand, or LSD. So yeah, let's get into the backtesting. Alright guys, so we have an X setup here, which you can see if there's some confirmation. Right now it's looking like it's gonna have a big push up with a big blue candle, a big bullish candle. So if this happens, we are going to be waiting for the price to retrace on the last bearish candle before the upside move, which just happened. So we're just going to wait for it to go on the top wick of the first candle, and we're going to see. Alright, so it just hit our entry. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so it did eventually hit TP, even though it almost went to our entry. It's pretty nice, pretty good trade. It's not really a practical entry that I would recommend using. It's just one that I've been backtesting and it's been working for me. You don't actually have to do this like me. Alright, so we finally have another entry. Right now, we're going to see how this works out. We have a nice level of liquidity, nice level of demand. It's right when I start the trade, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so that's nice TP. Even though it did take some time, it's not going to be always like the fast 1 to 3s in like 5 candles. It is going to be ranging like here and going to be doing some retracements, but eventually you should be hitting TP just like that. Alright, so here again we have another demand. It's pretty extreme. It's I mean the candle before the big push up. We created a nice level of liquidity, and now we're just going to see if our entry gets validated and how this goes. Well, I'm still going to be realistic and entry like I usually do on the candle closure, even though we did go right down. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so this was a pretty fast stop loss. We did wick down even below the zone. So this is probably just going to be keep pushing lower. Alright, so we do have another entry which created a nice level of liquidity with the blue candle, a nice wick. So we're going to be entering on this bearish candle and targeting a 1, 2, 3. Stop loss should always be a bit above the wick so that price can breathe. But this is probably going to be a fast stop loss or a fast TP. So let's see. So yeah, this was really fast TP, like a 2 candle TP. That's actually crazy. Like I was talking about earlier in this video, where you can get really fast TPs with this strategy. Alright, as you can see, we did create some bullish market structure. We were in a bearish market, but we broke past the last high before the downside. So I am going to be looking for buys now. Alright, so we do have a demand right now. We just got tapped. I'm going to be entering on the bullish candle closure, the little one, and I'm going to be targeting a 1 to 3 with my stop loss right below the zone. So we're going to see how this works. Alright, so really fast TP right now. 3 candles. That's just simply lovely. Please tell me you got the Max Verstappen reference. Please tell me you got this. Alright, so I've just entered this right now on the body count close. We have a nice level of liquidity with 2 candles, which is even better. So let's see how this shit works, guys. By the way, this will be our last trade of today's video. So yeah. Alright guys, this was stop loss. It does happen. because like I said in the beginning of video, you are going to lose more trades than you win, because this strategy is on the 1 to 3 and sometimes even 1 to 4 for some traders. So the more RR you have, the less win rate you will get, so the less trades you will win. Like this strategy, I have it like on 40% win rate. So out of 10 trades, I will only win 4. Alright, so this was the end of the video. Right now on the screen, you will have how much trades I've won in this video and how much I've lost, uh, how much percentage I've gained, because I'm risking 0.5% on every single trade. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye. By the way, guys, you can also buy my course. The link is in the description. It's still not finished, so I will be adding more stuff to it. It can also be just a way of supporting me, even though you are profitable.